Hello, in this video, we're going to trade with support and resistance levels. So first, we need to understand how the market is trending. As you can see, this is the Euro-USD pair and it's OTC market. The market is in a downtrend, very strong downtrend. So we need to find selling opportunities. So I need to identify a support level, which has been broken. Now it's a resistance. So this is our level. Initially, as you can see, it was a support level. The market was rejecting from the same area. It rejected here once, twice, before it was broken. So when the market approaches this area and we find a candlestick pattern that suggests the market can go down, we can utilize that opportunity. So let's be patient. So we have closed in between the level. I'll wait. So let's check on this other pair. We have a very big gap here. Then we have a level. So this is a very risky market because of this gap. Ideally, most markets gaps needs to be filled. So there are high chances of the market moving more down to fill this gap. So let's wait. If we can close below this level, we can take our trade. Let's check on this other pair. So generally the market is in a downtrend. It has been ranging in between this level. So the market has been ranging in between these areas. So this is our range. If we break below this range, we can take our trade. So let me mark our support level. That's our support level. And that's our resistance. So this is our range. Inside the range, we have a very good downward trend line, as you can see. So the market is moving more down. So let's wait and see the reaction of that area. So we missed this opportunity, but I can take a put option because now I understand the market will try to come below this wick. Our trading opportunity was to occur if we close below the level of support and resistance as we discussed before. And indeed, we closed below the level of support and resistance. But we did not enter earlier. But let's see if we can close below the level. Because this was a very strong sellers movement. So we've closed below the level. Here we've closed below the level. And I'll do a put option. Because as I've told you, the market needs to fill this gap up to this area. So let's wait and see the reaction. And this is a very strong bearish candle. So here we are still above the level of support and resistance. So you need to always understand your market structure and your price action when you are trading support and resistance levels, because that's what will guide you. Despite knowing the levels of support and resistance, you need to understand your price action and market structure. So this is a spinning top candle. It indicates mostly a continuation in this scenario. So I'll continue with the downtrend because I don't see any level of support and resistance. Our next level is probably here. This is where our next level is. So the market needs to fill this gap. Most of the time it will fill, but not always. It's not 100%. So again, we are reversing. Let's check on the left if you can see any level. So we don't have any level. So we'll wait for this candle to close because we've closed below the level of support and resistance. So we need a confirmation candle for us to take a put option if we have to. Here we are still moving more down. So let's see if you can find an opportunity here to take a trade. If you can break below this level, it can be very good to take a trade because we'll be having a major trend on our side. Our minor trend still downtrend inside this range. So I need an entry point on this level. I'll tell you why. I'm taking a call option here. I can see the rejection, but my entry point will not be appropriate if I take this trade here. So as you can see, the market has been making lower highs and lower lows. We made another lower low at this point. We came up. We made a lower high, but we failed to make a lower low. So if we break above this lower high, we'll continue moving more up. That's why I was waiting for an opportunity on the level for me to take a trade, but you can see we did not break and move more far away from this lower high, so it invalidates that trade. So again, the sellers are coming in. Here now we are ranging, so you can just wait. So again, sellers are coming in. If we break below this area, can be a very good opportunity. To take a put option. Because now that will be forming a double top in this case. So I'm late, but I'll take the trade. So you can see our double top. At this area, this is a double top that has been formed. We have our neckline here. We broke the neckline, so we expect the market to move more down. And when you observe keenly, we had a rejection from the neckline. So this shows you that the sellers are more interested to push the market more down. So that's the reason behind me taking this trade. Because now we failed to break this market structure, the downtrend market structure. That's why I was waiting for an opportunity to see if you can break this level. Because if you break this level, that validates the downtrend is in place and we need to move more down. So that's why I took this trade. So I've taken 4 trades today and I've explained the trades. If you need to understand more about trading with support and resistance, combining it with price action and candlestick psychology, you can join our training program. Just contact me through the Telegram link in the description below. I'll give you more details on how to join. You can also join our trading group. There's a link in the description below. Keep practicing to understand this strategy of support and resistance. Till next time, bye bye.